I will thank you, O Lord, for you have lifted me. You have drawn me up, set my soul free.
You heard my cry, and you healed my pain. From the depths of Sheol, you called me again.
Sing praises, all his saints, give thanks to his holy name. His anger lasts but a moment, his favor a lifetime's flame. Weeping may last through the night, but joy comes with the morning light. Forever I will praise your name, oh Lord, I will give thanks again.
In my prosperity, I thought I'd never fall, but you made my mountain stand tall.
When I was dismayed, I cried out to you. You showed your mercy, your love so true. Oh, sing praises, all his saints, give thanks to his holy name. His anger lasts but a moment, his favor a lifetime's flame. Weeping may last through the night, but joy comes with the morning light. Forever I will praise your name, oh Lord, I will give thanks again. You turn my mourning into dancing.
Loose my sackcloth, clothe me with gladness, so my heart will sing your praise forevermore. I'll bless your name.
Oh Lord, my God, I thank you. Forever your love endures, now and forever in your mercy I will stand, lifting up your holy hand.